In electrochemistry, today we'll discuss about conductance, specific conductance, molar conductance and equivalent conductance. Suppose there is a conductor, a solid conductor whose length is L and area of cross section is A. Then the resistance of this conductor. You know that what is resistance? Resistance is an obstacle to the flow of current, to the flow of electrons. So resistance of this conductor is directly proportional to length of the conductor. A long wire is having a large resistance. Similarly, the resistance of this conductor is inversely proportional to area of cross section. More is the area, less is the resistance. Rho R is equal to rho into L upon A, where rho is proportionality constant and is called specific resistance or resistivity of this conductor. Now, resistance of the conductor will be equal to specific resistance rho when length of this conductor is 1 unit and area is 1 square unit. So, if we want to calculate the unit of specific resistance, unit of resistance is ohm, area is in square units and length is in centimeter. Therefore, units are ohm centimeter. So when is the specific resistance will be equal to resistance when length of the conductor is 1 unit and area is 1 square unit. Another term, that is specific conductance or conductivity, K. We in Greek he calls kappa, Kappa. Kappa. Specific conductance is reciprocal of specific resistance, and we know that specific resistance is Ra upon L. Therefore, specific conductance or conductivity is 1 by R into L upon A. That is K is equal to 1 upon ohm centimeter for length, square centimeter for area. So we'll get the unit ohm inverse centimeter inverse or Simon centimeter inverse. That is ohm inverse is Simon. Then is another term, that is molar conductance. Conductance of 1 mole of an electrolyte is called molar conductance. Mathematically, lambda m is equal to specific conductance into 1000 upon concentration in terms of molarity unit. Similarly, equivalent conductance, lambda eq, conductance of 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte. Lambda eq is equal to specific conductance into 1000 upon concentration in terms of normality unit. And if we will divide molar conductance and equivalent conductance, it is lambda is equal to lambda m upon lambda eq is equal to concentration in terms of normality unit and concentration in terms of molarity unit.